Gosh, just a devastating story. I spoke with the parents earlier this year. And joining me now to talk more is former FBI agent Jennifer Coffindaffer. Jennifer, thanks so much for joining me tonight.
Always good to be here, Marky.
Yeah. Jennifer, as you know, there's now a yard 4 minutes away from Michael Vaughan's house that's being excavated. You and I have talked about this case at length over the last year, always hoping there would be some sort of update that would bring peace to the family in one way or another. In your mind and what you've heard, is this the crack in the case that we've all been hoping for?
Yes, it would seem so. I mean, they have enough probable cause to establish and be signed off on by a judge to obtain a search warrant and to go into this property. Now, they just didn't go into the property. They brought in backhoes, they brought in canine dogs, they have brought in an army of law enforcement to excavate this property. And it is believed that the remains of Michael Vaughan are there, according to Chief Huff.
And talk to me a little bit more about that yard excavation. You know, for that to take place, there had to have been extremely credible evidence, right? I mean, what has to take place? What has to be in law enforcement's hands, evidence-wise, for them to be able to go into a yard and start digging?
Well, it can't just be hearsay or something somebody told you. It starts with that, but then you have to actually corroborate that information with independent evidence. And that's what builds the probable cause. And in this case, they had that in their hands, went to a judge, and that's why they're excavating. So while it's a great break, seemingly, it's also very sad. And remember, this has been going on now for 2 days, and yet nothing has been recovered except for a large truck of dirt, which has now been removed.
And Jennifer, if Michael's body is found in this yard, and as you mentioned, it does sound like police have good reason to believe that it could be, and it is just 4 minutes away from his home, were search efforts not strong enough in the immediate aftermath of his disappearance?
Well, I think they were strong enough. I think what happened, as you and I talked about, and as the public probably knows, with these little children, 5 years old, there's only a couple of possibilities. They walked away, and that area was searched to the degree that we knew that that didn't happen. Or somehow that child is hurt in the home, and there was no evidence of that. The only other choice is that they were abducted. And it seems here in this situation, he walked door to door, and he walked to a door where he was abducted.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.